In a groundbreaking move that could electrify India's automotive sector, Tesla has set its sight on a big opportunity, the Indian market. This exciting development comes with a strategic partnership between Tesla and Tata Electronics, a move that signals Tesla's growing interest in the Indian market. But before we get into any more details, let's understand why Tesla took years to enter the Indian market. So back in 2021, Tesla tried to enter the Indian market but did not go ahead as there was a disagreement with the Indian government. Tesla wanted low tariffs on importing cars to India, and on the other hand, the Indian government wanted Tesla to manufacture locally. And I'm sure you're aware that India imposes one of the highest taxes on imported cars. Currently, India imposes about 60 to 100% of custom tax depending on the price of the car. Fast forward to now, last week the Indian government announced a new e-vehicle policy that would lower import duties, making way for EV makers like Tesla in India. But there is a catch. The proposed company needs to meet three conditions. First is the proposed company should invest a minimum of $500 million, approximately 4,150 crore rupees. Second is they have to set up a manufacturing facility in the country within 3 years from the time they start selling the cars and reach a domestic value addition of 25% by the third year, meaning 25% of the parts should be made in India. The last condition is by the end of the fifth year, the company should reach 50% domestic value addition. If all these conditions are met, the said company will be allowed to sell up to 8,000 cars every year in India at only 15% import duty. The broader goal of the new EV policy is to promote India as a manufacturing destination for EVs and strengthen the EV ecosystem in India. And Tesla is already making some big moves. According to reports, Tesla has signed a strategic agreement to procure semiconductor chips from Tata Electronics for its global operations in a move aimed at expanding in the Indian market. This deal positions Tata Electronics as a reliable supplier for Tesla, potentially strengthening India's position in the global EV supply chain. Additionally, Tesla is already scouting for locations to set up its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in India. As per ET, the state governments of Maharashtra and Gujarat have extended lucrative land offers to Tesla for the establishment of this manufacturing plant. And that's not it. It is also scouting for its first India showroom location, which could be in New Delhi or Mumbai, with plans to begin sales later this year. To conclude, the Indian government is actively promoting the adoption of electric vehicles through policy initiatives and subsidies. This, coupled with rising fuel prices and increasing environmental awareness, is leading to a surge in demand for EVs in India. And as per Counterpoint research, EV sales are expected to rise 66% in 2024 after nearly doubling in 2023. Additionally, EVs are expected to have a penetration of 30% by 2030 from the current 5%. Tesla's foray into India, along with its partnership with Tata Electronics, is a significant development for the Indian EV sector. This collaboration has the potential to strengthen the Indian EV ecosystem, offering consumers a wider range of electric vehicle options and accelerating the country's transition towards a more sustainable future. Having said that, this is me, Rahul Singh, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com